is not suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is not recommended. Oops! He's not Breaking Dawn's Edward Cullen. He's not Scheider. Shh! Behave, girls. He's just your colleague from PMM. Yes, Philippine Manufacturing Company of Marathon. Nothing more, nothing less. See him? Tall, white, and white. Tall, white, and happy. His name is Naruto. December 7, 2012. This is the big day for all PMM. It is their Christmas party. And just like any other PMM staff, Naruto waited so much for this day. He really prepared for this event. He went to the office early, fixed his hair, and fixed his hair. His clothes, shoes, pants, his eyebrows, his legs, his neck, his stomach, and his back. Yes, he prepared a lot. To kill the time, he made himself busy. He ran around the room. Jump, exercise, jump again, smile, laugh, cry, and laugh again. Then he saw a chair. Yes, a chair. He got the chair, put it in the center, and sit down. And not long after, he fell asleep, into a very deep sleep. While sleeping, he dreamed about many things. First, he dreamed he was in Japan. Hi, gozaimasu! Tatamate kudasai! Konnichiwa! Konnichiwa den! Doraemon, let's play with the bulan! He also dreamed he was in Singapore. Good morning, Mom! Ding, ding, ding! Topayo Station, Topayo! Of course, Philippines is included in his dreams. And just as he was dreaming about them, his colleagues came over to fetch him. We started out as strangers, not knowing anyone from other sections in our group. Section bonding has never been this fun. Getting the chance to know each other, making friends, laughing together, working, creating steps, dancing. Indeed, it's more fun in the Philippines. And I bet your Christmas will never be the same without them. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, dancing to the beat of 70s, please welcome your colleagues from facilities, HRGA, finance and business engineering. It's our time. It's our show. It's showtime!
Washington.